solid metal blocks to entire car frames, nothing escapes the crushing jaws of these machines. Precision merges with raw destruction, leaving you stunned at every moment. Hit play and discover why they reign supreme in the world of scrap. The beetle that once burned gasoline on the highway now fuels sustainability by entering the shredder. What looks like destruction is actually rebirth. Metal is separated, recycled, and transformed into future products. The lesson: recycling isn't just about saving resources, it's about shaping tomorrow responsibly. With a 1,100-ton cutting force, the Spanish-made Moros HP1100 shear is pure engineering brilliance. Hydraulic rams drive the guillotine blade down with surgical precision, making sure every skip is reduced to uniform chunks, ready for mills. Efficiency is art in motion. Does anyone wonder what happens next? Those shredded gas tanks usually head to a smelter at 1,600 degrees Fahrenheit, turning into raw steel billets. From there, they could become car frames, appliances, or even more machines like this one. Full circle, full story. A crusher doesn't truly destroy, it simply reshapes plastic into a new form. People are much the same. Under pressure, we can either shatter or transform to be reborn stronger. Recycling matter is a profound reminder of our own enduring power to regenerate. Back in the day, recycling tires meant slow, smoky machines. Seeing the BDD 1700 1.0 slice clean in seconds makes you realize how far the industry's come. Cleaner air, safer work, and a greener future, all from one steel beast. The bite force of this machine is unreal, like 200,000 foot-pounds of torque condensed into rotating steel jaws. Mini bikes vanish in seconds, frames fold like paper. It's not just raw power, it's a display of momentum converted perfectly into mechanical dominance. A 1,000 millimeter drum spinning with 5 knives, powered by Volvo's 700 horsepower, isn't just muscle. It's precision engineering from Italy. Every log fed through the 2,100 millimeter hopper becomes uniform biomass chips, showing how design turns chaos into efficiency. The genius of Bonfilioli's system isn't just raw force, it's torque distribution. Balanced momentum on every rotor means less wear, more uptime, and consistent shredding output. Engineering precision turns brute power into controlled recycling efficiency. Watching the AZ50 HD chew through a steel IBC cage feels like standing next to a storm. Those triple hook 62mm cutters bite hard, and if sparks fly, protective gear is the only shield between a safe day and a close call. Safety isn't optional. It's survival in scrapyards. massive bus lay stretched across the ground, creaking under the grip of steel claws. A once proud symbol of city transportation met its end at the scrapyard. Nothing lasts forever. Only recycling gives materials the chance to begin their next life cycle. The screech of metal fills the air as a stainless steel bowl is dragged into the crushing shaft, its polished surface shredded into fragments. Every layer of shine can vanish in an instant. Only a solid foundation ensures survival under relentless pressure. The sight of the AL 5000 folding SUVs into dense cubes is unforgettable. With hydraulic power designed in Italy, it transforms chaos into order. Each crushed vehicle is proof that recycling can be both brutal and beautiful, turning waste into future resources.
Nice tail.
That torque output is jaw-dropping. 177,000 foot-pounds ripping through mixed scrap like it's paper. Aluminum, brass, and copper don't stand a chance. Beyond raw power, what impresses most is how this Indian design balances force with control to prevent jams. Who would expect that a baled mountain of PET bottles could be split so cleanly? The M&J 4000-8 peels them apart bottle by bottle like flipping pages in a book. That precision blows the mind. Anyone who has worked around crushers knows the sound, a deep crunch as wood gives way. These machines handle variable density without blinking, turning beams into chips. It's not brute force alone, it's years of design refinement. Watching the Cayman FCE 40R work brings back the old days when demolition meant endless sparks and heavy hammers. Now, technology from Italy does in seconds what crews once spent hours breaking down. It's proof of how far recycling has evolved. The Finnish-built Metso 4000-8 runs on hydraulic drive, delivering momentum transfer through precision gears. Each stump cut is a lesson in applied mechanics, kinetic energy turning dense wood into chips, all while maximizing efficiency with minimal fuel burn. The most striking thing is the sound, metal groaning under 100 tons of pressure. You don't just watch a VSR 1215 work, you feel it in your chest. That's the raw impression of industrial power at its peak, yet all in service of recycling. This shredder runs with dual gearboxes 2x1 TS3U315 and weighs 2,300 kilograms. That's engineering precision. Steady torque at 20 revolutions per minute ensures no clogging. The 0.75 cubic meter hopper balances load intake so every tire feeds smooth. How does DDS keep fibers from wrapping around the shafts? The secret lies in the dynamic disc motion. It constantly shakes off what would clog a normal screen. The Hextra 7003F makes you want to dig into the mechanics behind the magic. Designed in the USA, the Rotochopper 95DK uses a precision rotor with synchronized teeth that convert kinetic energy into raw cutting force. That's why rubber turns into uniform chips instead of messy shreds. Engineering meets recycling efficiency. The MGZ1030 shredder paired with the R4/3700 briquetting press turns aluminum scraps into dense 60 by 40 millimeter blocks. German precision here means high torque, steady feed, and zero clogging. This is engineering efficiency meeting sustainability. If there were a superhero in the recycling world, Model 5 would be it. Crushing concrete, saving steel, clearing sites, it's like Captain Planet but on tracks. Who knew saving the environment could look this fun? That's raw destruction at its peak. What blows your mind more, the wood snapping or the steel shattering? Drop a comment, hit subscribe, and ring the bell, because more unstoppable power is still on the way.